Hello. Today I want to show you how Reppls Interview Assistant work. So Reppls Interview Assistant basically can help you to run a technical interview without technical knowledge. So what should you do first? It's create on Reppls technical assessment. Here we have technical assessment for Convex. And to be honest, I have no idea what Convex is. I know that it's a database, but no more details. And on the other side, we have a candidate who is a Convex engineer, and I want to test this candidate. So what basically need to do? First, I want to create a new interview. And it's our assistant request some information, candidate email address, this candidate gmail.com, and interview ID. Currently, I took it from here. I just put it. And it's give me an interview. So on the platform, should we create additional interview? Here we will see a report later for the specific candidate. If we restart, we can see it. Yeah, and I want to start this interview. We don't need any more platform. Let me just, on the other side, we have a candidate, and I start the interview. Our system prepared some questions, technical questions for this specific interview. So let me start. Hello, I want to ask a couple of questions about Convex and how you design a database schema for multi-tenant application in Convex.
This is actually a very good question. Maybe first of all, I would like to ask you, why do you even need it? I would just clarify what happens if one tenant data accidentally leak into another tenant space and how we can prevent or detect that kind of isolation failure in Convex. Let me just briefly think about it. So basically, when you design your database schema, you can have some organization ID, or in your case, this is like a tenant ID. And we have, for example, set up it through your instances. Yeah, so if you have, for example, some projects and tasks and whatever, you have keys inside. So then, for example, since Convex is a backend as a service, it also provides you a function layer to access your database. So basically, we can create some kind of function helper that will get our request context, for example, and so usually you store inside the session, you store your tenant ID inside your authentication key, JWT token, whatever. We can extract this information from the request, which hit the server, and see to which tenant current user is related. So basically, that's it.
Nice. And have you actually built a multi-tenant setup in Convex or similar platform before? And what kind of issues did you run into when keeping tenant isolated?
Yep, worked with it. So basically, as I mentioned before, this is your isolation. Okay, so we worked with organizations. And how our isolation worked. So we actually stored our instances assigned to our particular organization IDs.
Okay, thank you. So as you see, our system detect what candidate answer and create follow-ups. After several follow-ups, it suggests you to go to next question. So here we have 12 questions, 12 technical questions. We can pause interview or finish it. And once we finish it, we will we go to platform back, and after a couple minutes we will see a report about this candidate, how they perform, about the answer. Currently it's processing, as you see. It may take up to 5 minutes, but after it's processed, you will see results, how many answers candidate gave and how they perform. So you can run basically technical interviews without any technical knowledge. So thank you. As you can see, our interview was processed, and here you have transcript, here you have short audio, not short audio, because for now it was just one question. We have one question marked as answered, and here you can see exactly like a system assessment of this question, and overall assessment is not valid because less than 80% of questions were asked. So if you ask all questions, you will have here a fully assessed candidate and their report.